If you would like to put a border on it, then I'm going to show you next how to put a border on it. So we have our sample of our Tunisian honeycomb stitch, and I'm going to show you on a little mini blanket here how to put the border stitch on using a picket stitch. So this is just a sample, smaller piece than your blanket. So I will show you on this piece, and then you can replicate it on your blanket once you get to this point. So the first thing we're going to do is to put a row of half double crochets around the edge. In order for it to round the edge and not to curve up, we're going to put 3 stitches in each corner. So we are going to put 3 stitches, 3 half double crochets in our first corner. We're going to work a row of half double crochets. When we get to the corner stitch, we're going to work 3 in this corner. Work a row of half double crochets around, 3 in the corner, a row of half double crochets, 3 in the corner, a row of half double crochets. We've already worked 3 in this corner, so we'll just slip stitch to the first half double crochet. So I will show you. So let me back up here just a minute so you know exactly. We just finished binding off the top. So we're going to always work on the front. The back looks like this. We're not going to work on that. We want all of our right side stitches on the right side. So we are at the end of our top, so we will rotate to work along one side. So we will put 3 half double crochets in the first stitch. And if you've been working with your extender on the end of your hook, you can take it off now. It's a lot easier to work out it. So then you are going to put a stitch on the end of each stitch of each row here. So you will have the same number of half double crochets as you do rows, minus that you put 3 in the first stitch because of the turning chain for your corners. You can work along with me. If I get going too fast, you can pause it. I'm just going to show you part of it and then let you pause the video and finish up your blanket, and then push play again when you get back to finishing your half double crochet edging. So I'm finished with the first side here. I'm at the last stitch, so I am going to put 3 half double crochets in this one stitch so that it turns nicely. Then I'm going to work a half double crochet in each of these stitches along the bottom, 3 in the corner, a half double crochet in each of this side, 3 in this corner, and then half double crochet back across the top. And then when I get back to this corner, I'll just slip stitch into the first half double crochet. So go ahead and work that on your blanket. Push pause, work your blanket, and then push play again when you're ready to work the last row of your border with the picket stitches.